Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry. Exercise 11.2. Trigonometry exercise 11.2. In that fourth problem we will see now. Fourth problem. Okay. So now in fourth problem they gave like this. Is it right? Is it right to say that cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equals to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. So this is the problem they gave in the fourth one. What they are asking, is it right to say that cos 60 plus 30 degrees is equals to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. That means this both are equal or not is asking. Cos 60 plus 30 and cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 both are equal or not is asking. Now we will see that solution. Okay, solution. Yes, so we will take what they gave in the problem first. Cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equals to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. That is the given in the problem. Okay. Yes. Now cos 60 plus 30, this both angles you add 60 plus 30, we will get 90 degrees right here, equals to cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 answer is what? Root 3 by 2 minus sin 60. Sin 60 is also root 3 by 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 answer is 1 by 2. Then cos 90 value we have to write. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 value is 0 right here, equals to. Now observe here, 1 into root 3, we will get root 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4 we will get, minus root 3 into 1, root 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4. This is plus root 3 by 4 and this is minus root 3 by 4. So we can cancel this. Cancel. So we will get 0 equals to 0. Now what we can write? Yes. Yes. We can say that cos 60 plus 30 degrees is equals to cos 60 into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 into sin 30 degrees. Okay, yes, we can say this is the answer. Yes. Thank you.